Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be pushing my homemade boombox to its limit by playing this song, Enya Only time, and then turning up the volume just until it distorts. This time, got a light, found it before I moved out. Yes, I moved out. This is my new room, so it's pretty nice. So yeah, just going to turn the light on. So this is very similar to when I tested the amplifier for the first time, but this time I'm recording in 2K instead of 1080p and 60 FPS instead of just 30, so be better quality. So let's go in and, well, it's not going to be the same song, but it will be the same kind of concept, just a different song. So yeah, alright, play. So volume is a little bit more than half. I feel like the amplifier is sensitive at max volumes, so not a big deal. Crap, I didn't charge my flashlight, it's showing red, but it's alright, I think. Alright, right here, it's the limit, so yeah, alright. Let's watch the woofer, so yeah. It's a lot of excursion. If you guys are watching this on a mobile device, you can zoom on it, since it's a high resolution, so yeah. But that's a lot of movement, like, wow. Whoa. How's this shaking? Weird. Putting on my power station, so yeah, gotta charge it soon. At least it's not blinking. Some tweeter. And I took the cone off because I feel like that didn't really help. I thought it would help with the treble, but it really didn't. But yeah. Screen turned off on my camera, turn it. There we go. That's so much movement. Oh my gosh. It's like a whole 10-12 millimeters for 4.5. Impressive. Well, when I say 4.5, I mean 4.5-inch woofers, so yeah. Let's see the after results. Woofer, slightly warm. I would say it definitely passed, yes. How did it just mark it as 1? I didn't even touch the screen. Is this thing dying or something? Weird. This thing just did like a check mark or something, like a 1 yellow pointing down. I don't know. Yeah, the woofer's not bad. Obviously, the tweeter doesn't have bass, so it's not even warm. It just gives the highs. But yeah. I don't know how, but the dust cap reflects even though it's black. Maybe it's covered in some oil or something that's reflective. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.